the thought doth occur that everything you see here, the camping stuff, everything fits into my Bergen. Everything. With space. And that's not tying stuff on the outside, that's not strapping things to it. To do this even 25 years ago, just say 20 years ago, to do the same thing, you would have needed at least 2 backpacks filled to do the same thing. And that doesn't even account for the weight, because materials are a lot thinner. I mean, these kind of hammocks only really existed after you've been shot out of the sky and you're using your parachute. They haven't existed commercially only the past 10, 15 years. Before that, you wanted a hammock, it was made out of canvas, heavy canvas. So yeah, we're not allowed much technology, what the Jews allow us to have. But the bits we do have access to are quite good.